everybody. In Aha Oho Bohemian Kitchens, today we are going to see a famous Indian snack food called Kachi Dabeli. It is originated from Gujarat and it's a super duper steep side vehicle snack in north side. For the preparation of Kachi Dabeli, this is the main ingredient called Dabeli masala. We have to prepare this, and apart from this we have to prepare 2 to 3 small ingredients. I'll show you one by one, but this is the most important ingredient for stuffing in the Kachi Dabeli. Okay, come on, let's see how to prepare it. Take 6 to 7 red chilies, 1 biryani leaf, 5 teaspoons of dhania, 5 teaspoons of white til, 2 spoons of jeera and 1 big cinnamon stick, and 4 to 5 small pieces of dry coconut, black salt, pepper, 2 to 3 cloves, cardamom, 1 spoon of soam, salt, red chili, turmeric, everything you keep it ready. We have to fry them one by one. Take the tawa, add one by one slowly. You can add everything in a same tawa and fry them for 2 to 3 minutes until it turns to light golden brown color. You can break the cinnamon stick and add it. These are all the main masala ingredients for Dabeli masala. Other than what I have shown, you can add other masala items also, but these are all the basic ingredients. Fry them well. After all the ingredients start releasing good aroma, then it is done. At last add cut dried coconut, black salt and elaichi. Fry them well. Add turmeric. Mix them well. And now you can switch off the burner. After switching it off the burner, you can add salt and chili powder. Maybe half a spoon of chili powder. Mix them well. After it comes to room temperature, you have to grind it fine powder. You'll get a wonderful aroma here. It's really different masala. You have to try it. Dabeli masala is ready. We have to grind it fine powder. That's it. Dabeli masala is ready. After the use, if you have excess powder, you can store it in a container and use it for 8 months. For the preparation of garlic peanut red chutney, add 4 to 5 teaspoons of roasted peanuts, 2 to 3 cloves of garlic, and half a teaspoon of red chili powder. Then required quantity of salt and half lemon juice. Okay, mix them well. You can even add little water in it and grind them fine paste. This is another main ingredient for Dabeli. We have to apply it in the pav bun. Okay, you can even prepare it before a day and preserve it in the fridge. Wow, looks colorful and it is very tasty also. For the green chutney preparation, you have to add the list of things in the mixer grinder and grind them. 2 to 3 green chilies, handful of coriander leaves, and 10 leaves of mint, 2 to 3 teaspoons of roasted grams. This gives good consistency to the chutney. 1 inch of ginger and 1 clove of garlic. And pinch of hing, chaat masala, 1 teaspoon of sugar. Even black salt gives very good taste to the chutney, and this green chutney is optional, friends. Either you can make it or not, you can leave it. And half lemon. Mix everything. You can add some water and make green chutney. I have given detailed green chutney video in samosa making. At last add some salt and grind it paste. This is optional. For the preparation of potato mixture, take the tawa, add 1 teaspoon of butter in it. Once the butter is melted, add 1 to 2 chopped big onions and 3 to 4 green chilies. Fry them well. Add little turmeric powder, which gives good color and it is an antibiotic. Now you can add half a pinch of garam masala powder, black salt and salt. I am adding everything here. Mix them well. You have to keep the potatoes boiled ready. I have taken nearly 4 to 5 big potatoes, boiled and mashed. I am adding it now. And add some coriander leaves along with that. Mix them well. Mix everything well until it comes to the thick masala kind. Then you can shift it to the plate or bowl and transferring them to your plate. It should come to the room temperature. Yes, friends, we have to arrange all the ingredients like this. Yes, red garlic peanut chutney and green chutney, dabeli powder what we made before, cut onions, chopped onions, add salt and mix in it. Keep it ready, and you have to take the pomegranate fruit. Yes, this is also one of the main ingredients. It gives good sweetness in the masala. And you have to now add 1 to 2 teaspoons of dabeli masala powder in the potato mixture and mix them well. Keep it ready. Okay. Mix little dabeli powder in a roasted peanuts and keep that also ready. And keep some save. This is also your important thing. Yes, now it's time to stuff all the ingredients inside the pav. Either you can buy it from the shop or you can make buns at home. I have shown it in my previous day video for preparation of homemade buns. You can see that. So I have taken the homemade bun. It gives real excitement, friends. You have to try like that. So cut the pav in the middle horizontally, and you have to take the red chutney and apply in one side inside and another side green chutney. This green chutney is optional again. Okay, as I prepared it, I am applying it. You can even skip it because all the other ingredients are main ingredients. And now you take the potato mixture and make a small roll and stuff it in deep of the bun. Okay, it has to sit inside the bun. and take little chopped onion and stuff it. Then again keep little peanuts and keep it above the chopped onions, and keep some pomegranates. You have to mix it with potato mixture. You can either do like this or you can even keep it separately. I am mixing it in potato mixture. So take potato mixture along with the pomegranate and stuff it. You have to press it tightly so that it will sit, it won't come out. Okay. Again keep some chopped onions, and at last keep this potato mixture and stuff all the sides, left corner, in the middle, right corner. Don't give any gap so that it won't come out while frying it on the tawa. Okay, this is the method how we prepare this dabeli, kachi dabeli, or they say it double roti, it seems, in north. So the stuffing part is over. At last, colorful. Yes, you have to take the same plate and just give a touch all over the sides, like dipping it. It will get sticked in the potato mixture. It gives very good look. Yes, it's done. You have to stuff everything tightly, friends. Hold the left back part tightly and stuff it properly. It will stand. No need to worry. And now take the tawa, add little butter and start adding the dabeli buns one by one. Okay. You can even prepare 10 to 15 buns for your family members. Then you can make it. So you have to fry it all the sides, rotate it, make it golden brown color. Then you can remove it from the tawa. You have to fry it all the sides, bottom side, top side. Tilt it slowly. You can use either a spoon or one more stick or anything. I am using chapati sticks. It has to get golden brown color from all the sides, and it will bake very nicely. Even inside stuffed thing will get heated. It will be so spicy, hot and yummy. Yes, it's ready. I am removing it from the tawa. Ready to serve. Kachi dabeli. Crispy, yummy, spicy dabeli masala is ready to eat. Wow, looking delicious. I still remember where I tasted this yummy spicy kachi dabeli masala. Yes, I tasted it in Aurangabad in last December. So I have become fan of this. This is not either pav bhaji or not burger. This is dabeli. So viewers, try it at home. It's really a different Indian snack food. You have to taste it. Prepare it at home. Please share it with your friends if you like my video, and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for watching.